So when you are going to school and you're approaching exams, yeah, you practice what you call past papers to actually predict what's going to come into the future exam. Well, in trading, we do something similar to that. That's called backtesting. Today, I'm going to show you how to do the replay on the chart. So backtest and practice so you can make proper trades in the future. Let's get the ball rolling. Well, go on. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dreycosting. If it's the first time over here, what we do over this channel is to analyze the financial market, like chop it up in pieces so each and everyone can understand. You know we do it on a Thursday, guys. Tradingview. Today we're going to look at the replay mode in Tradingview with an emphasis placed on how you do backtesting. So when you do your backtesting, you're actually practicing like you'd practice a past paper in school. You get what I'm saying? That way you can prepare yourself for future trades. So without a delay, you know it go already. Straight balling, no stalling. Let's dive straight into it. Alright, replay or backtesting. Anyone way you want to call it, alright? Watch me now. So don't quote me on this, but I think for the replay mode, I think you have to have like an upgraded version of Tradingview, like Pro Plus, thereabout, you get me? I think you need to have at least a Pro. Yeah, I think you could like do it on the higher time frame, but as you go like to the lower time frames, you're gonna actually need to upgrade, you get me? So, but it's a very useful tool to have, and you guys could just click the link in the description just to sign up with Tradingview, and you could choose to like upgrade if you really take trading seriously. You get what I'm saying? So watch me now. So the replay button is located right here, bar replay, you get me? Why is this important? As I said, it's like you're studying your past paper, you get me, for the future exam. So let's press the replay button. When you press the replay button, you're going to select the section from where you want to play from. So I'm going to select here. Yeah, follow me. So watch me now. I'm looking at this structural level right here. You get me? So let's highlight this. Yeah, I'm looking at here. You following me? So I see where price have actually capped out, you know, respecting this resistance level. You understand? And I want to back test it. So what I'm looking at back testing. So when you're back testing, guys, what you want to do is you want to like, this is what I do. I like close my eyes. You see where I put the little bar, the bar in a while ago. I like close my eyes and I just bring it anywhere in the chart and I just click it. That's what I used to do when I was coming up. You get me? To back test. So, but for demonstration purpose, say that I close my eye and I just click right here, right? So I see right here. So I know that I have this area right here to move to. You understand? But I know that the basic of trading for a downtrend need to confirm for me to go down, which is a series of lower highs and lower lows. So in order for me to go down here, I'd want to see something like this. Shift, retest, lower high, confirming the basic of trading. Then I will go in here. You following me? So what I want to do now, I'm going to run my back test. So I put the bar right here. You get me? And then I'm just going to press play. Right, so I'm gonna press play. Right, you could like increase the speed, how fast you want it to go, or slow you want it to go. You following me? So when I see this impulse from here now, yeah, so I was looking at this support level right here and I see this impulse that it break through it. So what I want to do now in terms of my back testing is that I will say that here, what I want price to come back to this level here, somewhere about here, creating a lower high, and from once to come back there, then I can look to go all the way down here to this free space right here where price has been before. You following me? So just gonna press play and just watch it move out. So as I say, I would like close my eyes and just pick any random place on the chart. Yeah, but for demonstration purpose, I'm just showing you guys how it works. You get me? So when price is moving, it's like playing back. You following me? Yeah. Right? Play. Bam. Moving back. What we getting now? Bam. Right? Alright. Just watching it. Alright. Seeing a little strong cluster right there. Yeah. Alright. So bam. So once I see this little strong cluster right here, you get me? Once I see this little strong cluster right here, I'm gonna look now to try to enter somewhere about here. You following me? Because I know that the market is moving indecisive, right? Let me open this up. Remember from my candlestick videos, guys? Come on now, right? I'm seeing the doji, right? The spinning tops. I know that price is about to turn around. You follow me? We deal with all of this in the candlestick series, right? If you ever watch a candlestick series, right, just check it out in the YouTube card above, yeah? And just go check out the candlestick series, you understand? So once I see it right there, I'm gonna look to enter, yeah? So I'll put my thing right here and bam, press play, and I'll be like, oh, that's how it works, you know what I'm saying? So this is what I used to do when I was coming up in the game, you know what I mean? I would do a lot of back testing, you know what I mean? Just close my eyes and just put the bar anywhere for it to replay, you get me? And be like, okay, this is how it actually works. You following me? So bam, this is back testing for you guys and how it works, yeah? So hope you guys learned something from this. See, my stop loss gonna get touched right there. I didn't set it properly. Stop loss should be above these wicks right here. Alright, so bam, let me stop this right here. So let me go over again, right? So we want our stop loss above these wicks right here, right? Where price was rejecting. You see these wicks, this level right here? Let me put the line. I was just moving too fast. I'm just so excited. You see this level right here? That's where I would put my stop loss. So that's where the stop loss should go, get me? Because if price come back to break this level right here, that means it's not ready to go down as it. You follow me? So bam, and it play out. So that is how I use the whole replating, you understand, back testing, whatever you want to call it, you get me? So bam, I will come right here and close this off, you understand, and that's it. And so far with this right here, yeah, if I go right here, that's like 221 pips in profit if you're counting, you get me? So the replay mode, yeah, is very useful for back testing, and every person that's learning this whole Forex journey or trading journey, whether it be Forex, crypto, stocks, commodities, it doesn't really matter what it is that you're analyzing on Tradingview, back testing is extremely important. That way you could get enough practice like you're practicing a past paper in school, so you'll be ready for the real life thing, like for the future events when price is moving forward. Straight balling, no stalling. Thank you guys for watching, and if there's anything on Tradingview that you'd like to see me cover, please comment below and I'll try my very best to assist you. Go on, big up on yourself and enjoy the rest of your week. I'm out.